How to hide followers on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. Here, under the Who Can See Your Content tab, tap on the account privacy option and further go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for private account. With this, only approved followers can see your followers list and strangers or non-followers will see the This account is private option and will not be able to view your followers. However, if you are already in private mode but want to hide followers from a certain people, then tap on the followers list and then tap on the person whom you want to hide the followers from. Now, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for remove follower. Tap on that and with this the follower will be removed. Make sure that they will not be notified but they will lose access to your profile, posts and followers list. And if you want to completely hide the followers list from that particular person, then go to their profile again and tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for block. Tap on that and then tap on the block account option in order to confirm. Now, once you block them, they will not be able to find you in search. They will not be able to see your followers or following list, and you can also not see theirs unless you unblock them. So, this is how you can hide followers on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.